Elon Musk and Grimes name first child XAI-812. Billionaire Elon Musk and Canadian singer Grimes have revealed the name of their first child, and it has left many people confused. On May 4th, Musk went on Twitter to share news of the birth of their son, XAI-812 Musk. But many people aren't sure how to say the name. On a podcast, Musk said the first part is pronounced X-ash, with X read like the letter. However, Grimes, whose real name is Claire Boucher, told fans on Instagram that the first part of the name is pronounced just like reading the letters XAI. Both Grimes and Musk have explained that 812 was the name of a plane used by the CIA in the 1960s, where the A was for Archangel. Whatever way you say it, it's possible that XAI-812 isn't an acceptable name in California, where the couple lives. David Glass, a family law expert, told People, in California, you can only use the 26 characters of the English language in your baby name. The two aren't the first celebrity couple to give their child an unusual name. When they were still together, Academy Award winner Gwyneth Paltrow and Coldplay singer Chris Martin named their first child Apple. Their friends, power couple Beyonce and Jay-Z, named their children Blue Ivy, Rumi, and Sir. Kanye West and his wife, reality TV star Kim Kardashian, also gave interesting names to their 4 children: North, Saint, Chicago, and Psalm. Elon Musk and Grimes named first child XAI-812. Billionaire Elon Musk and Canadian singer Grimes have revealed the name of their first child, and it has left many people confused. On May 4th, Musk went on Twitter to share news of the birth of their son, XAI-812 Musk. But many people aren't sure how to say the name. On a podcast, Musk said that the first part is pronounced X-ash, with X read like the letter. However, Grimes, whose real name is Claire Boucher, told fans on Instagram that the first part of the name is pronounced just like reading the letters X-A-I. Both Grimes and Musk have explained that 812 was the name of a plane used by the CIA in the 1960s, where the A was for Archangel. Whatever way you say it, It's possible that XAI812 isn't an acceptable name in California, where the couple lives. David Glass, a family law expert, told People, in California, you can only use the 26 characters of the English language in your baby name. The two aren't the first celebrity couple to give their child an unusual name. When they were still together, Academy Award winner Gwyneth Paltrow and Coldplay singer Chris Martin named their first child Apple. Their friends, power couple Beyonce and Jay-Z, named their children Blue Ivy, Rumi, and Sir. Kanye West and his wife, reality TV star Kim Kardashian, also gave interesting names to their 4 children: North, Saint, Chicago, and Psalm.